Yeah, welcome back to my channel. This 20-minute project turned out to be a 3-day project. I'll tell you a little bit about that. The topic of this video is the construction of these vibration mounts. So it's kind of a poor man's method that I found works very well. You can buy these hockey pucks on eBay, which I did. And then the reason this project turned into take 3 days is this little beauty here. It's an 1 3/4 Forstner bit that I used to counterbore these things. I had it in my special tools in the toolbox. Guess what? I looked in there and didn't see it and tore the shop apart. Spent 3 hours looking for it, went back in special tools, and it was there. So the materials for this, I built a bunch of these because I want to mount my plasma table on these vibration mounts and ground the table. For the bottom washer in these things, I use you can kind of see the construction of this. I use a 5/8 inch big flat washer, and it fits nicely over these 1/2 inch bolts, so I don't have to machine that hex or that square fitting off of there. I can just put it right in the washer, and it's countersunk into the part. And then for the top, these are 1/2 inch, 5-inch bolts, carriage bolts. And then for the top, I use these 1/2 inch zinc plated washers. And then a couple nuts on there. I got 2 on the end to lock it in, and I can move the height up and down. So it's a pretty elegant design. It's cheap. They don't cost that much to make. You can see I've got 4 of these on my shop press. There's 4 of them on the bandsaw. I've got a set of diesel tanks out in the barn, and it's all mounted on these, and it weighs a lot, and they don't deform. Great material to work with. It stinks a little bit when you machine it, but this is what the final product looks like. The other thing that happened to me in machining this, my lathe went down. And I couldn't figure out for the life of me what was wrong with it. I thought initially it was a motor overheat, and I couldn't get the machine running. So I started looking around, and I could see a wire buried in there that was totally melted, and I had to fix that. So a 3-day project, it was actually a 10-minute project turned into a 3-day project. That happens sometime. Thanks for tuning into the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.